So we started digging back the bank yesterday, and I was making good progress until I hit a really hard seam of shale rock, and I was not making any progress on it. So I called in my son Timmy with his Takahauchi, and that machine's built to dig through this shale, no problem. And we're also gonna yard a few big trees out of the woods later today.
What else are you gonna do?
Back on. We're gonna pull some blow down trees that are down the bottom of the draw, good lumber trees, out of the woods that I can't really get using this machine.
How long do you think it's gonna take him to dig out this rock?
I don't know. He's not operating his machine aggressively. Like, in other words, I was a little harder on my tractor than he's being on that machine, but
it's his baby.
Yeah, it's his baby.
He's careful with this baby.
Look at that big old nice chunk. Yeah. Look at that perfect rock.
So is he gonna do that whole back of the house, or just this shale part?
Once we get out of the shale and I know I can dig it, there's no sense in using that machine for something that this machine can do.
No, you mean this machine? Well, you can't really see him in there. Thumbs up though.